Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, girls, we're gonna be doing this very quick and easy wig that I have right here right now. It's literally giving pop on and go, and you know that's my favorite type. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so today's wig was sent over from Unice. This is what their packaging looks like. You've seen it 1,000 times, I know, but it just has like the goodies inside, satin robe. But let's get into the wig. They sent me over their 10-inch pre-cut lace closure bob wig. This is what it looks like. It has your typical construction, combs on the side, comb in the back. It does have an elastic band, and like I said, this is a closure wig and the lace comes pre-cut. Look at the lace. Just get into it. But I'm going to co-wash and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the wig after it has been co-washed, air dry, and then I did run the blow dryer through it just a little bit because it was like a little bit more curly. So I wanted to kind of like get some of that out before I flat iron it. But they say that this wig is just a pop on and go wig. I will say, if you like to lay frontal, oh baby, you will be able to eat this up. Look at the density on that. It's so good. This looks really good. Really good. They say that you could literally just pop this on and go. Like, the lace is already pre-cut for you. So let's get to styling.
Oh yeah. Vanessa never leave me.
The beats check.
Should I comment on her Twitter? Should I tell her how I feel? She's the woman for me. She's a queen and a demon. Vanessa come through that. Vanessa roll and roll. Make you no ignore me. You see me standing close. I'm a OG. No, they do me so. Oh, pretty girl, I wanna take you home. Baby, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. He said, love me, love me, love me.
Okay, so let's get into it. First and foremost, let me start off by saying my hair is a mess up under this wig. Like, so it looks a little humpy right here and then like a little humpy right here. But let's just pay that no mind. Okay, so let's get into the wig. Okay, it's a bob, so it's not really much to get into for real. But the hair quality is nice. Like, I feel like Unice always has like good hair quality. I do like that this wig, if you wanted to wear it in its natural state, you could. It's a pretty wave. It looks cute. I did like kind of blow it out before I showed you what it looked like. So it had much more wave in it initially before I like put the blow dryer to it to get some of those waves out before I added the flat iron. But it looked pretty cute. I didn't show you. I should have. My bad. But it looked pretty cute. It just was like a body wave texture, but on a bob. So it was pretty cute. So you could wear it like that, or you could wear it like pressed out like how I have it. So I like that. This lace is lacing. If you like to lay frontal or closure, because this is a closure wig, if you like to lay closure, baby, you are gonna have a great time with this lace. Like, this lace looks really good, I promise you. And I think it's in part because of how the density is, but also like the lace. Like, I have the lace literally all the way up here, but you can't really tell. It's just crazy. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna like make it super bumped or if I'm gonna leave it like this. So I feel like for me, if I don't make it super bumped, then like I could kind of like cut these front pieces off, because they do kind of, excuse you, they do kind of come a little bit longer down, but they are thinner. So, but yes, this is definitely a pop on and go wig. The lace is already pre-cut for you. Like, and if you are somebody who you don't wash your wigs when you get them, then you would definitely be able to like pop this on and go. It's given very much so like synthetic wigs, but human. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, the concept of a synthetic wig, even though like a lot of synthetic wigs, you do have to still cut the lace off. But like, I don't know, just being able to take it out the pack and put it on, like it's giving synthetic wig, but just human form, and you could wear it for much longer and it will last much longer. It's a very easy wig, especially since it's a bob. Like, what really do you need to do with a bob besides press it out if you want to? Okay, so the thing that I don't like about this wig, and I'm gonna, you know, be a little easy with this because like I said, my hair is a mess up under here, but the size of this cap is a little, like it's not big enough, if that makes sense. And the wig is obviously on my head, is secure, but that's because of the elastic band. If this wig did not have an elastic band in it, it would literally fall off my head. Cause you know I don't like to use the combs, but it's just not, the cap is just not big enough to just cover your head. You need the elastic band. Another thing that I do not like about this wig, and I'm noticing with like these kind of like pop on and go, like pre-cut lace wigs, is the whole breathable cap thing. For me, I don't really like that because I feel like when it's no base to the cap, you could see the cap underneath. You get what I'm saying? Like, maybe not all the time, but if you go to scratch your head and you have a cap on under it, when you done, you're gonna have to make sure you like do your due diligence to cover that back up so your cap is not showing. And like I told y'all, I just don't really like that. I like to be free flowing and just out and about, not having to worry about if a hair is out of place or if this is, I don't want to do that. Like, I just don't. So like for me, I feel like I can feel that if I move the hair in a wrong direction, you're going to be able to see my cap underneath. So that's just like, I don't really like that. Like, you can make these pre-cut wigs and have a regular cap, can't you? Like, I don't know. I don't manufacture wigs, but I'm just like, please, I don't like this whole breathable cap. And maybe that's just me, like personal preference, but for like I'm saying, for me, I'm gonna need like some what is it, cap lining. Like, give me a regular cap, baby. Okay, but yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. It's not really much else to say. Like I said, this is a bob wig. It's pretty simple and straight to the point. What you see is what you get. You know what I'm saying? But if you are interested, I will have all of the links to the company and wig down in the description box. Thanks again to LuxeHair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. We truly appreciate it. I'm going to go, like I said, check the description box to get the links and stuff. Give the video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.